live here, man. My typical Sunday. Now, I want to beat his ass, but I ain't gonna beat his ass. I got his Xbox. Which one would you like? You want an ass whooping, or you want me to keep this Xbox? The nigga was stealing candy. We set him up. Me and all the kids, we set him up. We caught him. We put a 9 later in the newspapers. 5 minutes after we just got to talk to him about stealing. So then he goes, he takes the newspapers out like I asked him, but he also took the candy as well. Now, what do you want? You want the ass or you want the Xbox? Okay, he don't want to answer. Hold on just 1 second, big dog. Hold on just 1 second. Just pause right there. See what's going on. Please back up the way, please. Y'all back this way. Now, what do you, come here. Come here. Get your ass over here.
My feet are hot.
Goddamn thieving ass motherfucker. Keep on crying, all that black on. Now, what do you want? Do you want this Xbox or you want this ass whooping? Which one you want? You want to keep the Xbox? That's the good answer. I'm going to give you the Xbox right now.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Bye. He's gonna give him it broken.
Back up, Tracy.
He's gonna give him it broken.
Hey, this is how I get down. He wanted the Xbox, because that's easy.
That was awesome!
Stop, Janaya.
You throwing stuff?
No!
I'm still on. I'm still on.
You still alive.
I'm still alive.
You still alive.
Hey, you see that? You wanted the Xbox more than you want the ass whooping. I want you to quit fucking lying to me and stealing. I ain't gonna beat your ass because I ain't going to jail, but I can tear your shit up. Hey, you back? They on my PlayStation 4, go tear it up. This has been another motherfucking broadcast brought to you by your boy Showboat. Y'all probably gonna say I'm mean as fuck, but look, I can't go to jail for tearing up some shit I bought.